Took them all day to get 2 posts in so far, yeah, so they're doing really well.
With oil, would you share it with me?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
You're lying!
Good morning, everybody. Not a bad day really, bit overcast but spitting slightly, not too bad. Weather report here again. So yeah, the lads are just going to do the timber job that they went to do last week actually. I don't know if they showed it, I was actually away at the time on holiday, and yeah, they were taking an old fence down, and literally a gas service pipe were buried about 4 inch. So, you know, the plastic pipe, obviously the cat scanned it and stuff, the electric and stuff, so they're never going to pick that up at 4 inch plastic gas pipe. But, you know, there don't seem to be any laws on what the depths they do these days, so of course we're responsible. Debatable, but you know, that's just how it goes. So God knows how much that'll cost, so I'll have to wait for invoice on that. I think that was last Wednesday when they did that. It's now Tuesday the following week, so I still haven't received an invoice yet, so we'll see. So yeah, you know, trials and tribulations of being a contractor. So yeah, they've actually gone back, because obviously it's been mended now by the gas board and whatnot. So they're just doing that this morning. It's just half a day job, and then I'm actually going to order a load of fencing. I'm just waiting on Justin coming back just to confirm what we need. We've had quite a few jobs come in the last sort of week or so since I've been away the last couple of days, so we're just going to make sure we're on the same page with the stock levels. I think a lot of these is sort of put them to one side. They're actually for jobs. I think there's only the 1.8 V mesh that we've got a bit of, which is a shame because I've got a big job come in, but it all wants to be blue, so I've got to order all that in specifically. But anyway, it is what it is. We've had a couple of palisade jobs as well, so I'll have to order them. So yeah, I'm just going to confirm with Justin. We haven't really had a chance to get his head together since I've been back. I've been that busy catching up, and so has he. So he's going to come back. We'll have an hour together, order what we need for his jobs. Then yeah, we'll take it from there. And then I'm probably going to go. I didn't go this morning. I'm going to go to the gym with Jamie this afternoon. Like I say, they should be finished in about dinner time. It were only a little job. So we'll go to the gym. So I haven't been for a couple of weeks. We've been away. So yeah, all good, and we'll catch you later.
Get 6 then.
Good morning. We're just measuring up here. Although it's delivery turn up some palisade. We're just measuring up. We're actually extending this little shed here for a couple of metres here. But lads, we're just measuring up now. Lads are going to go get timber. I'm just going to unload this wagon. We'll move all these over and get this off. Look at this now. Sun's out. Isn't it lovely? Yeah, sorry I didn't get a chance earlier. Delivery turned up with it all going on. Usual thing. But yeah, lads have gone to go get the bits and bats for this little lean-to that we're just going to add to there. Just gives a bit more room in there so we can get some lengths of steel in and stuff. A bit more storage. It's basically what we do is any sort of half panels or spare panels off of jobs that come back, we tend to just pile them here and there's bits of scrap. So what we'll do is once we've put a lean-to on there, we'll actually we'll be able to stack them along this side here. And we're just going to slightly move the skip over. So yeah, we should get it all done. Justin's back. He's just going to pull the van in. Let's get it off at road because wagons come round that corner. Scared of it getting clipped. Every time it rains, it's like bloody lake, whatever here, Lake Windermere. It's ridiculous. Need to get it sorted. And all half of that ends up dripping into our yard and into that little shed bit. Ryan, who's back here, will probably see Friday's doing a job with us. He's going to do it for me, but I shouldn't have to pay it. Landlord should, but hey.
Ivy's on.
Jamie's got his ivies on as usual. Look. It's, took them all day to get 2 posts in so far, yeah, so they're doing really well. That'll excuse the radio.
With oil, would you share it with me?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
You're lying.
What we're thinking is we might actually use this to store the sport truck in. We're getting it as a shed extension, but got some good depth. Look at them. Are they deepest holes you've ever dug, boys?
Never dug one that deep for a year.
Don't usually go that deep. So yeah, we've extended it like 2 metres. We haven't gone full height. We haven't gone full height up there. We don't need it. That's high enough for us. So yeah, and we're just going to extend shed, but we're thinking be an ideal little spot to park a sport truck in. It's alright in summer, but you know, come winter when it starts getting cold and just keeps it out of snow nice and rain. So yeah, we'll carry on with this tomorrow. So yeah, we're just more or less done. Got the roof sort of purlins in, noggins in. We put some noggins down. We were just testing the board because we knew this wasn't quite square. So obviously when we originally built this, we didn't intend doing this, so we knew that wasn't quite square there, so we just tested the board. Works out quite well, I think. So yeah, we'll get it all boarded like this tomorrow. We've got some roof sheets that I've ordered. Make it waterproof like this one. Dark, horrible, but yeah. Lads have just gone to do a little welding job on a gate actually, but we're going to pick roofing sheets up for there that I ordered yesterday. And we'll get that roofed off today and paled and stuff, so that'll be more or less done when they get back. So yeah, busy. I'm just going to order this other job I've got on now, a load of gates and stuff to sort out, and order some mesh, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Right there, me and Justin just down at Grove House, a job that we've finally been awarded down here. I've been down here about 4 or 5 times now, but we're just getting the exact gate measurings and where they open and stuff. But I tell you what, it's blooming cold now, isn't it?
Oh, it is, mate.
Look at Justin, he's got that many layers on. He's like a bloody snowman.
We're not wet.
But luckily the schools are open this week, so we're fine. Just to get the measurements on the outside here, but I'll probably remember this. I've been down here that many times doing it.
We did loads of fencing.
But we're replacing all this, all coming down, and I think there's 6 or 7 gates in total. A load of access control and stuff from that to do. On this gate here in the main entrance, on this one, that's getting replaced with access control and stuff like that. And then we're actually replacing this one here. Yeah, it's because caretaker lives there. Caretaker lives in this house here. So yeah, we're taking this down, and Ryan's actually taking this wall down, part of that, and that wall there. But like Baggy will remember this, me, Baggy and Jamie, I think it was, dug this in, and it must have took us 4 hours to dig these holes. They were like solid granite, because I think it's because that's like a gas house with main feed there, look, see it? And it's a gas house, and that's like granite. So I'm not looking forward to actually replacing this, because it was a bit of a nightmare.
We'll take that day off.
Yeah, but this fence is actually staying, but we've got to replace that gate and then carry on with this fencing. Same with that, get over there. Ryan's taking that one down, and then we're actually replacing these gates now, automated gates, whereas before they were staying, but we're actually replacing them now. Yeah, we'll just get some measurements of these, and then we'll get back. It's bloody freezing. Good morning, Friday morning, bright and early. I can't believe it, I'm always usually first here. Ryan has come to dig trenches, has actually beat me here. New school in Batley. We've got a lot on here today, well next week. So basically we're putting new gates in front of these ones are coming down, these are being automated, Matt's doing it. And basically, you can see Ryan at distance there, he's marking out. He's got to dig a trench all the way from over there, right over here. to these gates. You can probably see Ryan in distance over there. Yeah, so we're putting new gates here, and we've actually got to put a double set here, and then we're fencing. It sort of follows this bush all the way around this car park bit, and it goes right round there, then to the school. Like I say, Matt's automating these, access control, there's CCTV, there's all sorts going on. Ryan's marking out where he's going. He's already got his digger, look. And then Matt's going from there into the building, and he's got CCTV going out, and then there's another bit round the other side that Ryan's going to trench out. They've already got an existing single gate that Matt's going to put access control on. So yeah, just with Ryan, he's gang here. I don't know how camera shy is. Camera shy, Ryan? No! He's stacking on already. I'll just turn it round. He's already trenched from on there. We can get some ducts in him. It's a bit of a check. The power's coming out of there. You can see it line. We've got to go out where to gates over there where lads are. Afternoon. So anyway, that's me done for this week. It's gone quick this week, been that busy with catching up with being away on holiday last week. I was finishing a bit early today actually, because I'm going to our annual scooter rally at Brid. Go there every year. I don't have a scooter or anything, but we just go for drinking and music. It's a good weekend. I think there's 10 of us going, so yeah, it's a good crack. So yeah, I'm just going home now to get changed and sorted out, get my dancing shoes on and whatnot, and set on over to Brid about just after dinner time. Seen this morning, job was started over in Batley. Full team there today, a lot of us, Airedale, EWSC and Marine Landscape, so yeah, not a bad job for us all really. So yeah, we've got actually a couple of schools coming up like that where we're all involved. So yeah, keep tuned, and if you like what we do, by all means please give us a like and a thumbs up, and whilst you're here, why not subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.